Hello mga ka-Health Will Talk! Did you know, every second, your body makes 25 million new cells? Oo, bawat segundo may panibagong parte ng sarili mong nabubuhay. So kung nasaktan ka ngayon, bukas bago ka na ulit. Literally. Imagine that habang iniisip mong hindi ka nakaka-move on, yung katawan mo busy ng mag-rebuild sa likod ng eksena. Hindi siya naghihintay ng perfect timing, hindi nagpapahinga, tuloy-tuloy lang ang healing. Ganon din dapat tayo. Hindi kailangan overnight recovery, hindi kailangan bigla kang okay. Healing can be slow, steady, and silent, pero nangyayari. So don't rush yourself. If your body believes you deserve renewal, sana maniwala ka rin. So if you're hurting today emotionally, mentally, physically, remember this. Your body already chose to start again. Ikaw na lang ang hinihintay sumabay. This is your Health Real Talk, reminding you that you are never stuck. You're constantly becoming someone new. Ako po si Arlene para sa Health Real Talk. Have a nice day, everyone.